Welcome to this stunning and spacious 1.5-story home designed for both comfort and entertaining. The custom gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight, boasting top-of-the-line Viking appliances, a gas range, and a generous island perfect for meal prep and casual gatherings. Step outside to your private retreat featuring an outdoor kitchen and a cozy fire pit, ideal for relaxing or entertaining year-round. Inside, the main level impresses with a formal dining room, a bright great room with expansive windows and a see-through fireplace, a private office, and a luxurious primary suite. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms and a versatile loft area, perfect for a playroom, reading nook, or extra workspace. The finished walkout lower level offers even more room to enjoy, including a family room, wet bar, rec area, and an exercise room. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac with a fenced yard and easy lake access, this home combines privacy, elegance, and convenience. A backyard gate leads directly to the sidewalk and dock, just steps away.